early March, we introduced you to a Centerline family fighting to get mental health services for their 7-year-old.
At their breaking point, they reached out to us looking for help. Tonight, 7 Action News reporter Anne-Marie LaFlame has an update on the big shakeup since our story aired.
A lot has changed for the Holman family since we last saw them. After fighting for 7 years to get Christian inpatient mental health treatment, all it took was our 4-minute story, and Christian has been hospitalized ever since. For this family, there is no solution, no cure, but tonight, things are better.
Can we turn off your TV and let's go do another activity?
For the Holman family, this was a typical day. For the past 8 years, the biting, hitting, tantrums, and violence was all part of their normal. Doug says his son Christian stabbed the dog, burned down the house, erupting in rage without notice.
My wife has done all this, basically on her hands and knees, painting everything by hand.
But today, their home is much quieter.
And I was told I need to bring my son in for an emergency evaluation at a state hospital. This hospital he's in, he has never been able to get into. They just claimed he's never met the criteria.
After featuring Christian on 7 Action News and his father's struggles with getting his son mental health care, Christian has received the help Doug has been fighting for his whole life.
They were denied. We were told the consumer child did not meet criteria. There was enough in-home supports. Well, when I reached out to Channel 7, Channel 7 did a lot more investigating and obviously pushed a lot of buttons in the right place.
Out of the blue, that same community mental health system that Doug says denied him all those years gave him a call. And Christian has been at Hawthorne, a juvenile residential mental health facility, ever since. It's treatment he needs for the severe cognitive damage done from a mother who drank, smoked, and used drugs heavily during pregnancy.
It burns me up like most parents that are refused services time and time again. There's nothing in the budget. We don't have the funds available. We have to pay out of pocket for this. We can't authorize this. I'm just thankful that me reaching out to the news got my son where he's at.
Doug says he was told for years Christian did not meet criteria for Hawthorne or any other juvenile residential mental health facility in the state. He's now there indefinitely, getting treatment Doug says doctors say Christian needs desperately. Treatment he says other families should not have to fight so hard to get.
We need to unite. We need to come together. We need to go to Lansing. We need to talk in front of legislation to try to get some laws changed for the mental health system.
Christian has celebrated a birthday since we last saw him. Doug says he seems much happier in this kind of structured setting while they're repairing his damaged room and the damage this struggle has put on their family.
Unfortunately, Christian's going to live with this his whole life. This isn't going to be an easy road. I hate that it had to come to this, but I am also happy it came to this.
While we're happy Christian is getting the treatment he so desperately needs, we know the Holman family is not alone, and there are many other families struggling in silence. If you're one of them, we want to hear from you. Email me at annemarie.laflame@wxyz.com. I'm Anne-Marie LaFlame, 7 Action News.